to talk about amino acids. If you're on this channel, you know that I like to talk about amino acids, and I am a huge advocate, been a huge advocate of amino acids, essential amino acids, since I was a teenager, and been using them since my late teens. As soon as I found out about them, I started taking them. I'm going to tell you why I like them and how I take them. So the first thing is you got to look at my age. I'm over 60 and I don't eat even a third of the calories that I ate when I was in college. Had to maintain my weight. I had to eat 6,000 calories. Now I'm at 2,000. So if you're not really selective, and I only eat 2 meals a day, and I'll tell you how I do this, it's hard to get enough protein. I weigh about 170 pounds, and I'm looking for at least 150 grams of protein for me, for my weight, every day. Well, if I'm only eating 2 meals a day, which is usually what I do, and you got to get 75 grams of protein in each meal. That's a lot of protein. So I supplement with essential amino acids. Why essential amino acids? Essential amino acids are amino acids that you have to ingest. Your body can't make them. But from what most people, I've heard anywhere from 8 all the way to 10, most experts say 9 essential amino acids. Those are the amino acids that your body can't make. But with those 9 essential amino acids, your body can make all the other essential amino acids. And once you start that snowball, now your body can make all the peptides and enzymes and everything it needs, as long as it has a constant, you have a constant amount of amino acids in your body. Now, I kind of do intermittent fasting, but what I do is usually soon after I wake up in the morning, here's how I take them. And I'm going to show you some of the amino acids, the essential amino acids I take. Some, for almost all of these products, there's something I like and something I don't like about each one of them. So you can just kind of try them. I'm not affiliated with any of them, but I'll tell you what I do like and what I kind of don't like about each one, and when and why I take them. So in the morning, I will take a scoop of amino acids. I'll use something like this. What I like about this is I like the flavor. And they come in many flavors and it tastes good. And what I don't like about it is I don't like the sucralose in it. I don't like that artificial sweetener. So with that, I'll also put a scoop of this in there. This is a just bulk supplement. It has no flavor, but if you drink that by itself with some water, I think it tastes horrible. But when I mix it with this, it tastes fine. And both those formulas are essential amino acids. Now I'll also mix it with this. This I think is a great product. It doesn't have any bad sweeteners or any other ingredients in it that I don't like. I'll also do the same thing. I will also spike it with this. So scoop of that, scoop of this. And what I don't like about this is it only has 8 essential amino acids. It's missing histidine. I don't know why. Well, a lot of experts say that your body can make some histidine, but not enough. That's why it's an essential. Well, why not just put it in? Well, when I take this, and the flavor is tolerable, this is mixed berry. And then when I put this in, I can't taste this. I just get, with the other formulas, I get all of the essential amino acids because I spiked it with that second bag. The other one that I'll use is this one. And pretty much the only thing I don't like about this is I don't really like the taste. I don't like the flavor, but I'm okay with all the ingredients. I'm kind of picky about the ingredients that go into any supplements that I take. So now you know when. I'm going to take this stuff in the morning. Now, sometimes I'll have a protein shake. If I have a protein shake, I'm going to spike it with leucine because leucine is a big key. It kind of activates the protein synthesis. So I'll spike almost everything I do with leucine. So I'll either take the amino acids on their own, and um, that's first thing in the morning, and I'm usually taking a couple swigs of extra virgin organic olive oil with it, with all my fat soluble vitamins and everything else I take in the morning. Or I'll do a protein shake. I do 2 scoops, so I'm getting almost 60 grams of protein with the 2 scoops. I put it in a blender, spike it with the leucine, and then I'll take something like this. This is, I don't even know what this brand is called. I got it on Amazon. Let's see what it says here. Deal supplement. It's got a D on it. So anyway, that's what it looks like. Or something like this, because now I'm supplementing with all the essential amino acids to go with that protein powder. And I like to do that. And then I have my 2 meals later in, well, maybe 11 or noon in the first one, and the last one maybe at 4. Then I do the amino acids again. So that's 4 times I'm blasting my body with amino acids. And I think it is huge for your health. If you haven't tried this, try it. Try amino acids. Make sure it's essential amino acids. Get one that you think is, as healthy as you can find, and try it, especially if you're older, because we tend not to get enough protein when we're older, and protein is critical, especially if you're vegan or something like that. Then it's even more important to get all the essential amino acids, because it's hard to do being a vegan. If you're eating meat and fish and chicken and that type of stuff, you're getting good, and eggs, you're getting good quality amino acids in those protein sources, but I still supplement with the amino acids. So try it and see how it goes for you. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know. And also, if you guys like, I try to give tips for older adults. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and just go check out some of the other videos. It's just, I've been experimenting on myself since I was in high school, since I was a teenager, working out and trying to be healthy all my life. I'm a health club owner. I own multiple health clubs. And so that's what I do. And I just try to relate my own experience to you guys and let you make up your mind on what's in your best interest for your health.